Unlock the power of quantifiers in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, quantifiers. We're specifically looking at how these work with countable and uncountable nouns. This can be a tricky topic, but don't worry. With some practice, you'll master this in no time. Quantifiers are words or phrases we use before a noun to express quantity. They tell us how much or how many of something we're talking about. For instance, in the sentence, I have some apples, some is the quantifier. Quantifiers can be different depending on whether the noun they describe is countable or uncountable. Countable nouns are individual items that we can count, like cats, books, or people. Uncountable nouns refer to things we can't count because they're too general, abstract, or made up of indistinguishable parts, such as milk, love, or information. Quantifiers for countable nouns include words like few, several, many, and a number of. For example, we can say, she has many friends, or there are a few cookies left. Remember, countable nouns can be singular or plural, and the choice of quantifier can change the meaning of a sentence. Saying, there is a cat, implies a single cat, while there are several cats, implies more than one. When it comes to uncountable nouns, we use quantifiers like some, much, a little, or a lot of. For example, he needs some advice, or there isn't much water left. Notice that we don't say waters or advices, because these nouns are not countable. Some quantifiers can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. These include all, enough, a lot of, and some. In these cases, the noun determines the verb form. For example, there is enough water, uncountable, versus there are enough cookies, countable. Quantifiers are vital in English as they help express quantity accurately. Understanding which quantifiers go with countable and uncountable nouns can greatly improve your language skills. It might feel overwhelming at first, but practice makes perfect. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to fluency. See you in the next video, and until then, happy learning!